In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can find Snapchat accounts with a phone number. You can simply search and find any Snapchat user as long as you have their phone number. To do this, simply head into your Snapchat account. Then tap on your profile icon to head into your settings. On the settings page, tap on the option of phone number. By default, Snapchat lets others to find you using your phone number. As you can see, this option is always enabled. Just get back. Head into your story section. Tap on the search icon. Directly enter in the phone number of the person you're searching for on Snapchat. You will see their Snapchat account in the search results. If you can't find their account, this means that that's not the phone number they used while opening up their Snapchat account. And to avoid searching you by phone number, just make sure to disable the option of finding your account with your phone number. That's how easy it is to find Snapchat accounts with phone numbers. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.